trading session.
Okay, all right, Vivek, thanks very much for that. Well, some news coming in on Anand Raj, which is a real estate company. The board has approved allotment of around 200 crores in terms of debentures to Apollo Global in its first tranche. And remember that the BSE Realty Index in any case is doing well today. Anand Raj is up around 3% The BSE Realty Index itself is up around 2%, fairly resilient on a week-to-date basis as well, which has fallen around 0.7% on a week-to-date basis, lesser in terms of cuts as compared to the Nifty. But let's welcome Hemen Kapadia of KRChoksey Securities to discuss the technicals this Friday. Hemen, hi, welcome to the show. Well, Nifty is holding above 17,000 at this point. The Bank Nifty also above 39,000. How would you qualify this week on a technical basis, and what would your positions be going into next week?
A very good afternoon to you, Ekta. Thank you for having me on the show. I believe a couple of things have happened. I think after the sell-off, TCS seems to have stabilized. I mean, these have significant market weightage. The entire IT sector looks oversold, Ekta. So some sort of a relief coming in. 16,800 has held. And okay, the gap up didn't sustain. I don't think the markets are in fine fettle for a gap up like this to sustain. But now we are stating some sort of comeback. Reliance went almost to 2,200. Reliance has stabilized. Sentiment-wise, weightage-wise, I mean, it is an extremely important stock. So I have a feeling IT and Reliance, which was slightly wobbly, seem to be showing the first signs of stability. Okay, the VIX is still at 15.5. Below 15 and 14 would give us some more confidence that this anticipated bounce is going to sustain. So I'd say fingers crossed. We are oversold, extremely oversold. We have come to support levels. We've come off significantly. Chances are we are setting the stage for a small bounce back. It's still too early to take the call how much this is going to sustain. But the way I see it, yes, there is some relief from the corner, and I believe IT and Reliance could be the stocks which could help in the market recovering some more from here.
Okay, and what about individual names, Hemen? What would you recommend?
Firstly, okay, both are contra buy calls, keeping in mind the market has come off significantly. So firstly, a buy call on ICICI Lombard. We saw an upward key reversal coming in yesterday. Some of the mechanical indicators are turning positive. After reflecting some positive divergence, crossover buys are coming in. So one can buy ICICI Lombard around 1070, stop loss 1055, target of 1100. Secondly, same logic, one can buy Aarti Industries. It's been moving sideways, showing first signs of life. Some of the oscillators have given a crossover buy. The stock looks set to overcome a small resistance supply line. So one can buy Aarti Industries at 528, stop loss 518, target for 548. Both are contra buy calls. We're playing for a bounce back, which I believe should happen with the market sort of leading.
Okay, all right, Hemen, we're going to leave it on that note. Thanks very much for joining in and speaking with us. So that's the view coming in on the technicals for the Bank Nifty, just about lower by around 20 odd points, a slight bit of an underperformance. But if you look at the PSU banks, that's down sharply on a week-to-date basis. The index is corrected around 6 odd %. Time for a short break, but on the other side, Midcap Spotlight segment, we will be focusing on a Midcap that is gaining in trade today. Stay tuned.